Hey everybody, so here we are near where I work, and there's a sign that says no dumping here, but I guess it's okay for you all to dump stuff here. So they have dumped a bunch of crap here, plastic, metal. I'm not sure what this is. Is this a raft? Can't tell what this is. Oh, it's some type of like tarp for the back of a truck, some type of Hampton Bay. Probably maybe a battery backup. What's this? Something else from Hampton Bay. I don't know. They also dumped the lawnmower here. We already grabbed the lawnmower. I'll show you that in a couple minutes. But isn't that nice? It says right there, no dumping, and they dump all this crap here. So with all that other trash they had dumped at the top of the hill, they also dumped this lawnmower. It's a Cub Cadet, you know, I don't know what the horsepower is. Gross torque rating. I don't know why they don't give horsepower ratings more, but you know, there's no gas in it. It's got oil in it. It pulls over. It feels like it has compression. So that was also dumped at the top of the hill with all this other junk. These are all, I thought they were plastic at first, but these are all aluminum. It looks like there's some type of boat, you know, like a rack for a canoe or something. It's just really weird. And then this thing here that said Hampton Bay on it. Hampton Bay, some type of transformer for outdoor lighting. This is an outdoor lighting box. So yeah, it was nice of them just to take and throw all that trash right up where it says do not dump. So we'll have a look at this lawnmower, see what's wrong with it, and the rest of the stuff, we'll probably sell some stuff. So all right everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, and please don't litter.